Hey guys, the FedEx man just made a delivery at my house. This Pittsburgh Mechanics roller seat that I ordered off of HarborFreight.com. They had a deal going with a coupon, of course, like Harbor Freight always does. Got this seat for $20. Judging by the size of the box, looks like there's going to be some assembly required. I figured I'd just go ahead and make a video on this, give y'all a little review, let you know how hard the assembly is, what kind of quality the seat is. As you can see, it says it features a foam cushion seat with white clean surface, a durable steel frame, high impact PVC tray keeps your tools handy, and smooth rolling 2-inch swivel casters. I'm fixing to tear into this box and I'll keep you guys updated. And here is the pile of parts that were all inside the box. As you can see, my sturdy PVC tray came right out of the box with a hole in it. And here is our big, thick instruction manual. That's all there is to it. Now, it does come with a limited 90-day warranty. And of course I could just take this back to the local Harbor Freight store and exchange it because of that tray being broke, but it's not worth it to me. As you can see, these instructions are kind of the bare minimum. But no more than there is to this. It shouldn't be no big deal. I'll be right back. Alright, here we are. We got the finished product. Assembly wasn't that bad at all, really. Even with basically no instructions, I was able to figure it out. All it needs is, tool-wise, is a Phillips screwdriver, 2 1/2-inch wrenches, and an Allen wrench for your casters. And I honestly have no idea what size the Allen wrench is. I just found a loose one in my box that fit. One thing that I was disappointed in as I was putting it together, figured out that my little tray, I don't know if you can see that or not, it's actually split all the way back in the corner here. But I'm not too worried about the tray. As long as the thing will hold my butt up and roll me around the shop, save my knees from having to squat down and get back up and squat down and get back up. But assembly, basically, just install the casters using the Allen wrench. Be sure and lay your heavy-duty PVC tray on there first, and then using your 2 1/2-inch wrenches, bolt the little support frames up. And then for your seat, you've got these 2 bars that you have to be sure and get in there, and lay your seat padding on, and then just Phillips screwdriver holds the seat on. I am disappointed that it came out of the box broken, but my nearest Harbor Freight store is about 30 minutes away. That's why I decided to order this off the website rather than go get it, because that'd be at least an hour of my time just driving there and back. And so I'm not going to worry about returning it just for that. But for $20, am I impressed? Not really, but I'm not disappointed either. So if you're on a budget and needing a good little stool for your shop, yeah, I guess I do recommend it. If you're a full-time mechanic that's going to be using the thing every day, go find you a better quality one.